The Iranian desert became a cage for U.S. Airman Dude 44 Bravo, whose F-15E Strike Eagle was shot down, leaving him injured and alone. Hunted by Iranian forces, he hid deep in a cave, safe from sight, but nearly impossible to find. His emergency beacon was both a lifeline and a risk, each pulse a call for help, and a target for enemy trackers. He could only send brief, sporadic signals, hoping his allies would find him first. Satellites and drones were useless. The cave's rock shielded him from all modern sensors. The rescue mission seemed doomed. How do you find a silent, invisible man in hostile territory? The answer lay in a classified CIA project, a technology never before used in combat. As time ran out, the U.S. prepared to deploy its most experimental tool yet. The stakes, one life, and the future of battlefield search and rescue. The hunt was about to change forever. Enter Ghost Murmur, a revolutionary sensor built to detect the faint electromagnetic field of a human heartbeat. Developed by Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works, it used synthetic diamonds with quantum flaws, making them hypersensitive to magnetic changes. These diamond sensors could pick up the unique pulse of a living heart, even through earth and stone. The challenge, filtering a heartbeat from the chaos of the desert's electromagnetic noise, Ghost Murmur was passive and undetectable, turning aircraft into silent searchers. For Dude 44 Bravo, it was the only hope. Mounted on HC-130J and Black Hawk helicopters, the system swept the desert, listening for life. The plan, fly grid patterns, scanning for the faintest human pulse. It was a desperate gamble. Ghost Murmur had never been tested in real combat, but with no other options, the mission hinged on this quantum leap. The search began, silent and unseen. Detecting a heartbeat was only half the battle. Making sense of the data was the real test. Ghost Murmur's sensors collected a torrent of electromagnetic noise, solar flares, radio waves, and the Earth's own magnetic field. A powerful AI trained to recognize the unique pattern of a human heartbeat filtered out the chaos. It discarded false signals, vehicles, power lines, even magnetic rocks, zeroing in on the biological signature. As the aircraft swept the grid, the AI worked in real time, narrowing the search area with each pass. Finally, a faint rhythmic pulse emerged from beneath a rocky outcrop. The AI confirmed it, a human heartbeat, deep underground. The rescue team now had a precise location, hope in the heart of the desert. With the airman's location pinpointed, Operation Desert Echo shifted to extraction. U.S. Special Forces moved in under cover of darkness, but Iranian forces were closing in. A firefight erupted as the team advanced toward the cave. The Americans unleashed advanced electronic warfare, microwave and infrasonic devices, to disorient and scatter the enemy. Meanwhile, a CIA disinformation campaign drew elite Iranian units away, leaving the rescue site less defended. Amid chaos and close air support, the team broke through, reached Dude 44 Bravo, and began the perilous exfiltration. Explosions and tracer fire lit the night as they fought their way out. Thanks to Ghost Murmur's pinpoint intelligence and overwhelming technology, the team succeeded, but the mission's secrets were just as important as the man they saved. The rescue was a triumph, but secrecy came at a cost. A 200 million HC-130J was destroyed to keep Ghost Murmur's secrets safe. News of the operation sparked disbelief. Scientists called the technology impossible, claiming a human heartbeat's field was too weak to detect at such distances. Some said Ghost Murmur was a brilliant deception, designed to confuse America's enemies. Real or not, the legend forced adversaries to question what was possible, and what was a phantom. The CIA's silence only deepened the mystery. In the end, the rescue proved that modern warfare is about more than firepower. It's about information, deception, and technological edge. In the Iranian desert, a legend was born. A ghost that could hear a heartbeat through a mountain.